Hey there, budding chefs! Welcome back to Kitchen Fun with Chef Kids, where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary culinary creations. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of easy cooking, so grab your aprons and let's get started. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about having fun and getting creative in the kitchen. Our recipe for today? Delicious homemade fruit skewers. First, let's gather our favorite fruits. We've got juicy strawberries, sweet pineapple chunks, succulent grapes, and vibrant kiwi slices. Now comes the fun part, assembling our fruit skewers. Thread the fruits onto the skewers in any pattern you like. Get creative and make them as colorful as possible. Once your skewers are ready, it's time to add some extra pizzazz. Drizzle on some chocolate sauce and sprinkle on some colorful sprinkles for an extra special touch. And there you have it. Delicious and nutritious fruit skewers that are as fun to make as they are to eat. See, cooking can be easy and fun. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. Until next time, happy cooking! Thanks for joining us on Kitchen Fun with Chef Kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own cooking adventures with us. See you in the kitchen!